Namaste. I hope all of you are keeping well and fine during this time of lockdown. And in series of clips we have been seeing the whole chapter on guidance and counseling. And last clip I have talked to you about the steps involved in non-directive counseling. In this clip, I promised that I would be talking to you about the third type of counseling. The third type of counseling is eclectic counseling. Eclectic counseling. This word is a Latin word. It has its origin in Latin. Ec, E-C, ec. Ec means deriving. Lectic, from the source, and then the suffixes are say eclectic. So it is drawn from the source, two sources. Now you remember, drawn from the source, ec and lectic, drawn from the different sources. Now here it doesn't have a very specific type of approach, but it's a combination of several approaches. So now we have seen eclectical psychology, eclectical philosophy. It has come into this whole context in 1970s. Eclectic counseling was one of the famous approach people have taken. Now what they're doing is, in this eclectical counseling, the techniques that is used in directive counseling or the approach used in the directive counseling plus the technique approached in non-directive counseling or the technique used in the non-directive counseling put together. So it's a combination, it's a mixture of two schools of approach. Two schools of approach. The directive school of approach and the non-directive school of approach is put together and it becomes one eclectic. That's a combination of these two methods are put together. Now here what happens is a beautiful blend of these two schools, two approaches, where there's a lot of flexibility is involved. Sometimes the counselee is the hero or heroine. Sometimes the counselor is the hero and heroine, depending upon the situation. So as per the situation, they change the pattern. As per the situation, they change the style. As per the situation, they change the dialogical process. So a lot of flexibility is involved. Here, what happened? This is a equal partners coming together. See, if you see in this approach, it is not one up, one down, or one down, one up approach, but it is a people of two equal partners coming together. दोनों बराबर हो सकता है, क्योंकि कभी कभी हम लोग काउंसलिंग एक्सपर्ट हो सकता है, काउंसलिंग एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर काउंसलिंग भी एक्सपर्ट हो सकता है। तो दोनों एक साथ आ जाते हैं, आप उसमें बातचीत करना शुरू कर देते हैं, आप उसके बाद डिफरेंट अप्रोच लेते हैं। काउंसलिंग और अप्रोच लेती है, काउंसलर और अप्रोच लेते हैं, लेकिन बाद में एक साथ एक अग्रीमेंट में आ जाते हैं। दैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, सो eclectical approach. And secondly, here, who is the best in this thing, we cannot say, because both are equally strong enough. Now we have seen a debate, like, tough fight in the TV channel, a tough fight, because both are equally strong. So it could be equally strong partners coming together and talking about it and taking it forward. And it depends upon their set agreement on how they will go about. So this is what eclectical counseling is all about. Good. So now next clip I will talk about the steps involved in the eclectical counseling. Okay, good. Thank you.